guys, this is Sokhya up with another fabulous place that you can visit with your friends to have the best of the coffee, appetizers, starters, pizza, pasta in the town. You know, we are at Coffee and More today, serving the best of the food in affordable ranges with a cozy and lovely ambience that you can, go with your friends and explore. So come with me. इनका एम्बियंस कितना ज़्यादा क्लासी और एलिगेंट है यार. परफेक्ट लोकेशन फॉर ए डेट. कोई मुझे पूछे तो मैं तो भाई मना ही नहीं कर पाऊँ. इनका ऊपर का सीटिंग भी बहुत ज़्यादा कोजी और अच्छा है. इधर फ्री वाईफाई और एसी भी है. आप अपना होमवर्क कंप्लीट करने और आपके दोस्तों के साथ चिल करने इधर ज़रूर आ सकते हो. इट्स अ वेरी नाइस प्लेस एंड आई पर्सनली लव इट अ लॉट.
हेलो माई सेल्फ शुभम माने. आप अभी कैफ़े कॉफ़ी एंड मोर में है. हमारे कैफ़े का टाइमिंग एक्चुअली सुबह 8 बजे खुलते हैं और रात को 11 बजे तक चालू रहते हैं. एंड इन कैफ़े वी आर सर्विंग द इटालियन क्यूजिन, चाइनीज़ क्यूजिन, कोरियन क्यूजिन एंड द मैक्सिकन क्यूजिन हियर इन द कैफ़े.
We've been served with a lot of food here and I like each and every item they've served. Hi, we're students at MIT WPU first year law, and the college is based in the Coast Road region, and there are many cafes here to hang out at, such as Durga, Lassi Vassi and Shawarma Ji. Coffee and More is our hangout place. We love hanging out here and it serves the best coffees here. We had the iced cafe mocha, we had the iced cafe latte, we had the cranberry iced tea. It was amazing.
Connectivity is very good and it's student friendly. So yeah, do visit here in Kotrud. It's a very nice place to live in.
Hi guys, today we are at MIT WPU University, which is an excellent platform if you want to get into fields like MBA, BBA, engineering, petroleum engineering, law, and so many more fields are there which provides you excellency in the knowledge of the field you would like to explore. You can see the campus is really beautiful with all green, lush green lawns around with a lot of trees and flowers and birds. It's just besides ARAI Hills. So you can, directly have access to the hills from within the university. Not just that, it has the Pune's biggest library. It has one main canteen, then multiple departmental canteens in every department. And the best part is you have 2 cafes within the campus. So let me take you to the cafes now. Today I am at the most significant part of the college campus, that is the Dome. It is also called as Sant Jnaneshwar World Peace Library, where students from all over Pune come to attend the meditation sessions that are conducted by experts in MIT WPU.
We are from MIT WPU, BTech second year. MIT is mainly known for all of the events like Ride and Arohan and all of the different extracurriculars you get to do, which is really good.
The lush green lawns of MIT are not just known for its beauty but also are used for practicing yoga in order to ensure a very healthy and wealthy life for MIT WPU students. We are at NKF 2.0 Cafe in MIT WPU. This cafe is known for its fast food menu as well as its lunch menu. You can get items like arrabbiata pasta, alfredo pasta, many types of pasta, sandwiches, pizzas, rolls, biryanis in this NKF. And the menu is lovely and I really like it personally a lot. We are at the basketball court of MIT WPU. MIT really encourages various clubs to participate in sports events and win a huge amount of trophies and medals for themselves as well as for their universities. So for all the sports lovers, this is like a really good place. I have one more top secret. MIT is also constructing swimming pool, indoor games as well as internal gym within the campus, and I can't wait till that happens because I myself love sports. You will see multiple of these fur babies around the campus, so make sure if you're at MIT and you see a fur baby, make sure to feed it something. Maybe a chapati, maybe some biscuits. Anything is enough to fill their tummies and to fill their hearts. I'm sure they'll shower you with a lot of love if you show that sweet little gesture towards them. So like that's the best part of the university that I really like when I come in the college and there are so many fur babies around me. I love that really much. It makes my day. The next location that we are going to cover today is Cafe Community. इनकी शुरुआत ऐसे हुई कि they wanted to build a community where people come together to celebrate and rejoice food and drinks and their memories together. इसलिए Cafe Community was built. It is located in Kothur area near MIT WPU University opposite Metro City Sports. So let's see what they have to serve us today. Come see. इनका एम्बियंस आप देख सकते हो, कॉलेज स्टूडेंट्स के लिए परफेक्ट है. इनके पास बोर्ड गेम्स और कार्ड्स भी है जो आप अपने दोस्तों के साथ एंजॉय कर सकते हो. नॉट जस्ट दैट, 17th and 18th of August को इनके पास बहुत क्यूट सा एक छोटा इवेंट है जिधर वो पॉटरी के वर्कशॉप कंडक्ट करने वाले हैं. यू कैन गेट योर ओन small clay little pots ready if you come to Cafe Community on 17th and 18th of August. Mark the dates, it is going to be so much fun. So can't wait to see you there. I really like how they emphasize serving on healthy food. We've been served with hash brown pesto along with some fresh watermelon mint juice. One of the must tries here is their ABC juice. That is apple, beetroot and carrot juice. It really detoxifies your body and makes it healthy and makes your skin and hair glow. So it is my personal favorite and I would like to recommend it to all of you.
Hi guys, so we are right now Cafe Community Kothur Road and we like the vibe here. As you can also see that our whole group is right here. Like we just love to come here and chill. Either if it's work, either we have to complete our assignments or everything. We just like it being here because we like the vibe here and everything. And it's a great place to chill and it's also good for all the students right here. And their food is just amazing and the staff and they are very kind to us, and yeah, the service is also very good.
In Kothur, there are many places to visit. There's exciting food at Fatush, Durga, one last time, and Shawmaji. They serve delicious food, and you can come and visit over there anytime.
The desserts and the pancakes that was served was really awesome. I had a great experience at Cafe Community and I definitely recommend you to visit it when you're in Kothur. Bye-bye. The next location that we will be covering is M Pizzas. इनका motto है living large on a small budget. मतलब एकदम affordable price में they serve combos and freshly baked pizza that are super delicious. इनके कॉम्बोज बहुत ज़्यादा अफोर्डेबल है एंड इनके वेज कॉम्बो में इंक्लूड होता है गार्लिक ब्रेड, पिज़्ज़ा, कोक एंड चोकोलावा केक. अदर देन दैट इनके पास नॉनवेज में भी बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस है जिसमें है नॉनवेज पिज़्ज़ा, चिकन विंग्स, कोक, चोकोलावा केक एंड सो मच मोर. दिस शॉप इज अ हेवन फॉर ऑल द पिज़्ज़ा लवर्स.
नमस्कार, माझं नाव आहे ऋषिकेश मारणे आणि तुम्ही सध्या एम पिझ्झाला जे की MIT रोडला मी सध्या चालू केलेला आहे. तुम्ही जर पिझ्झा लवर आहात तर हा व्हिडिओ नक्की तुमच्यासाठी आहे. आमची खासियत ही आहे की आम्ही हे ओपन किचन ठेवलेलं आहे आणि आमचा जो पिझ्झा आहे तो 100% फ्रेश आणि 100% हँडटोस आहे. त्याच्यामध्ये कुठल्याही प्रकारचं प्रीमिक्स, प्रिझर्वेटिव्ह, कुठल्याही प्रकारचं इम्प्रोव्ह आम्ही वापरत नाही. फ्रेश आम्ही बॅच बनवतो आणि डेलीच्या डेली आम्ही ते पिझ्झा सेल आउट करतो. पिझ्झासोबत आमच्याकडे आहे गार्लिक ब्रेड आहे, चोकोलावा केक आहे, पास्ता आहे आणि त्याच्यासोबतच मल्टीग्रेन सँडविचेससुद्धा पर्याय तुम्हाला अवेलेबल आहे. आणि आमचा ओपनिंग टायमिंग आहे 11 ते 11. डिलिव्हरीसाठी एरियाच्या 4 किलोमीटरच्या रेडियसमध्ये फ्री होम डिलिव्हरी आहे किंवा स्विगी झोमॅटोवरसुद्धा तुम्ही कॅश ऑन डिलिव्हरी किंवा ऑनलाईन पेमेंट करून तुम्ही होम डिलिव्हरीसाठी ऑर्डर करू शकता. हे आमचं ओपन किचन कन्सेप्ट एक आउटलेट आहे जिथे आम्ही 100% फ्रेश आणि 100% हँडटोस पिझ्झा विकतो. पिझ्झासोबत तुम्हाला पर्याय आहेत, मल्टीग्रेन सँडविचेसचा सुद्धा पर्याय अवेलेबल आहे. सोबतच गार्लिक ब्रेड, चोकोलावा केक, पास्ता आणि डायनिंगसाठी सुद्धा इथे सिटिंग कॅपॅसिटी आहे. जर तुम्हाला डिलिव्हरी पाहिजे तर आजूबाजूच्या 3 किलोमीटर रेडियसमध्ये आम्ही फ्री होम डिलिव्हरीसुद्धा देतो. आणि ऑनलाईन पेमेंटसाठी झोमॅटो, स्विगी सारखा सुद्धा तुम्हाला ऑप्शन पर्याय अवेलेबल आहे. रेस्टॉरंटचा कॉन्टॅक्ट नंबर आम्ही व्हिडिओच्या शेवटला दिलेला आहे. तुम्ही रेस्टॉरंटला त्या नंबरवर कॉन्टॅक्टसुद्धा करू शकता.
सो मी ट्राय करत आहे पनीर मखनी पिझ्झा आणि गार्लिक ब्रेड. सो लेट सी कसा असतो आता. सो गाईज मी आता इकडे पिझ्झा ट्राय केला आहे आणि आय स्वेअर इट वॉज व्हेरी 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 नाईस. आणि लेट सी आता उद्या आपण पास्ता आणि चॉकोलावा केक खायला येऊया. लेट सी.